Daktronics takes the security of your displays, accounts, and media content very seriously. The Venus Control Suite provides encrypted connections, stores your data in a secure cloud platform, and protects your account from unauthorized access. With these security measures in place, we give you peace of mind knowing your displays are safe and secure from unlawful tampering. No doubt you'll have some questions about security. Let's see if we can answer these for you. First off, you may want to know, how does that protect me? And how does that work? The Venus Control Suite controlled display and its player reside inside your local network. The player uses Internet Standard Security protocols to connect with the Venus Control Suite servers. This diagram shows how the player inside the display connects to the Venus Control Suite servers to receive its information. The player reaches out to the Daktronics Venus Control Suite servers using standard web protocols of ports 80 and 443. This allows the player to securely reach out across firewalls and ensures data remains intact. The player connects only to the Daktronics Venus Control Suite servers and does not look for any other traffic or IP settings. How does the equipment interact with the cloud? Do the displays check in on a schedule? How are content and schedule updates delivered to displays? Venus Control Suite uses an HTTPS connection between the devices at the display and the servers. The players pull the media files from the VCS server over HTTP and are verified with signature checks. The signature is used to verify that data is not modified, tampered with, or corrupted. This is done to ensure the integrity of the files and allows network administrators the option for saving their bandwidth. HTTPS is the secure version of HTTP, and the S at the end of HTTPS stands for secure. It means all communications between your browser and the website are encrypted. This protects you and your personal information. HTTPS probably looks familiar to you. It is represented by the padlock in the URL bar. You will see this on any secure site, such as financial institutions, shopping sites, and Venus Control Suite. Our displays reach out to the Venus Control Suite cloud to get updated data and content on a continuous basis. Devices at the displays request file lists from the Venus Control Suite servers located in Azure. If you lose your internet connection, displays will continue to play content that was scheduled and downloaded to the devices at the displays, even if they cannot communicate to the Venus Control Suite servers. You would not be able to change the scheduled content if connectivity is lost. Venus Control Suite will continue to try and reconnect until it detects an available connection, updating content as scheduled. Well, what's Azure and where are the servers located? Is that where my data is? Are there backup servers in case something happens? Is my data secure? The Venus Control Suite servers are hosted in Microsoft Azure. Venus Control Suite uses Azure resources that act as web servers and Azure SQL databases. Microsoft gives out very little detail about the location of the data centers for security reasons. As Venus Control Suite grows and scales up, we may expand to other regions, and yes, this is where your data is stored, safely and securely. Are there redundant Venus Control Suite servers? You betcha! The Azure SQL databases that Venus Control Suite use are not physical servers. They are virtual resources within the Azure platform. Multiple copies of data are stored on redundant hardware in multiple geographic locations. How is account management handled? Are there one or more administrative accounts to control account creation or deletion? Can I see who has been using my account or what they were doing? Daktronics policy keeps user account information secure and confidential. Customers are given access to a secure account with a specific login credential for each user. Venus Control Suite will house the media files, and they will only be accessible by the user as well as Daktronics technicians for troubleshooting. Within each customer organization, user administrators are required to manage accounts. As an administrator of an account, you have rights to do everything in the software within the display owner account and also any advertiser accounts. Exclusive to the administrator role are access to making changes to the display owner account, including display configuration, creating new users, and configuring data feeds. Other roles will be covered in another training. The Account Activity Report will provide data on selected accounts for a selected period of time, including date, time, user, action, and item. This report is quite detailed, but if you would require a more specialized report with additional details, it may be requested from Daktronics. Most display owners handle the scheduling of content on their own. However, some display owners choose to let the advertiser schedule their own content. Important to your security: 1. Advertiser published schedules are based strictly on a sale being made in the display owner account. If there is no sale, content will not play. 2. The display owner may set the restriction for all content to be approved before it can be sent to the display. This protects you from possible unwanted content on your display. 3. The advertiser user has no access to the other advertiser accounts or to the display owner account. They would only see their media library with notations for media sent for approval, approved, or rejected. Once approved, the advertiser can schedule the content. Again, even if they schedule the content, it will play on the display only if the display owner has made a sale to the advertiser for that same time period. Simplified user management is available with single sign-on. Once software users sign on to their company software suite, they can access Venus Control Suite with just one click. It's faster and easier, so your people can spend more time selling ad space, creating great-looking content, or whatever tasks they are assigned in Venus Control Suite. When you have multiple people controlling LED displays, single sign-on allows you to easily disable accounts from one place when someone leaves your company, or quickly enable a Venus Control Suite account with the rest of your company software when someone new needs access. No need to maintain a database full of passwords. Customers interested in more information on Venus Control Suite may visit www.daktronics.com and in the search bar enter Venus Control Suite. Choose from either message displays or out of home.